Hello, hello, hello. Back at you with what I ate in a day video on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. I've lost 126 pounds, so if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, why I'm following the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, I'm bringing you what I eat in a day video. I'm going to show you the kinds of food I eat while following the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. Hopefully, you'll get some good ideas and some helpful tips on what kind of food you might want to try. I'm going to take you along with on my day walking in the park, trying to get some steps in, which my goal is 10,000 steps a day. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, be sure to come along and share the day with me. For breakfast, I'm making 2 soft-boiled eggs, and I'm going to put them on toast and sprinkle some everything but the bagel seasoning. I just boil the eggs in a gentle boil for 7 minutes. Well, one of the eggs broke while I was peeling it, so I just used one on the toast, and I used the other one. I put some sugar-free jelly. So that is going to be my breakfast for 2 points. And then I also have an iced coffee for 1 point. My regular stout coffee with some Premier Protein in it. For lunch, I'm going to have a sandwich, a turkey sandwich. I'm using 2 slices of the Sara Lee Delightful 45 calorie bread, and that'll be 2 points. And then I'm using some of this Deli Fresh cracked black pepper turkey breast. I'm going to use a point of that, and a slice of tomato. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of light Miracle Whip for 0 points. So that is going to be a 3-point sandwich. Walking today on the Rocky River Reservation Metro Park system. So pretty. It's a long way up the stairs. Was it worth all those steps? Wow. We're in the treetops. We're high as an airplane. Woo! I don't usually like Starbucks, but I stopped and tried the caramel apple macchiato iced for 7 points. So this is an easy recipe for salsa chicken. I take chicken breasts, how many pieces you want, and I'm going to sprinkle it with taco seasoning. You can use a pack and just put it on, but I happen to have the seasoning. Then I flip it over and do the other side. And once that is seasoned, I will pour some salsa on it. I am just using a jar of thick and chunky salsa, and I'll put some on each piece. I use about a half a jar, and then I will cover it with aluminum foil and bake it in the oven for about 45 minutes. And there's my chicken salsa. It is 1 point for the fat-free cheddar cheese, 1 point for the light sour cream, and 6 points for the rice, and 0 points for the corn. So that is 8 points for dinner, and that is on the blue plan. For a snack, I had some grapes. Fruit is always a good snack to have to satisfy a sweet tooth. I also found some Boom Chicka Pop light kettle corn. It is 4 points for 3.5 cups, and that was another snack. So that's going to be the end of my What I Ate in the Day video. I ended the day using 25 points on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.